Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Screencastify onto your Chrome browser if it's not already there, and just the basics on how to create your screencasts and how to store them. So first of all, if you don't have the Screencastify extension on Chrome, then the first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to go to your Colorful Waffle app and click on that, where you can then access the Chrome Web Store. If for some reason you can't find the app, you can then just go ahead and search Chrome Web Store. Make sure we spell that correctly. And then it's going to be the first thing that pops up in your search bar. But definitely the easiest way is to click on the app. So once you open up your Chrome Web Store, then you're going to go ahead and search for the extension, which is called Screencastify. And when you click on that, it's going to be pretty much the first one that shows up, and it's an extension. Because I've already added it to mine, it already shows that it's on there. If it wasn't on there, then it would say add to Chrome, like you see the ones in the bottom. So you just click on add to Chrome and it automatically installs to your Chrome browser. And then what you'll see is this little black film strip once it's installed. And that means that you've got your Screencastify ready to go. Now mine is recording right now because I'm creating a screencast. So that's why you see this little red button, because it lets me know that I'm actually recording at this moment. So once your Screencastify has been installed, when you click on it, it'll then open up, and right now it's recording, and you'll see that you're logged in with your Google account. Now that's something you definitely need to check on when you are using Screencastify. Since you're using laptops that a lot of people are using, you need to make sure that your account is what's logged in, or else you're going to end up recording on someone else's account. When you first log in and you're there, it's going to ask you whether you want to save your screencasts onto your Google Drive, or if you want to save them locally onto the computer. You click on Google Drive, so your screencasts are always saved on your drive, and that way you can access your screencasts no matter where you are because they're on your drive. And once you do that, you only have to do that once. Every time that you make a screencast, it's going to automatically save to your Google Drive. So when you're ready to record, you'll just have to click on this little red button, and then you'll be able to actually create your screencasts. When you do that and you click on your Screencastify icon and you click on what we call the hot dog here, it's going to open up where you can then see your recordings, and that's where you'll be able to see all of the recordings that you have done. And if you click on one, then you'll be able to see the link to access it on your Google Drive. But you'll also be able to download it onto the computer, which is something that you're going to need to do when you're going to upload it to your Flipgrid account that we'll talk about later on. So you have the option of downloading it onto your computer, and you also have the option, this is your share button. You can share it. You have it in your Google Drive, but also one option you have is to be able to share it and upload it to YouTube. Because we all have Google accounts, you do have a YouTube channel as well. So if you click on YouTube and then you click on channel, you just have to make sure that it's under your Google account that you have. And then you can set your privacy settings of whether you want it unlisted, which means that if they have the link, people can see it, or public, which means it can be found if it's searched on the web. If you keep it private, though, only you can view the video and nobody else can see it. So you either have to choose unlisted or public, and then you'll click on upload. And once you do that, then you will be able to get the link to your actual YouTube video now that your screencast is a YouTube video. So these are your two options, either keeping it on Google Drive where it stores automatically, or you can upload it to YouTube. Now for our purpose, when you're going to be using this video to upload it to your Flipgrid topic, then what you're going to do is that you're going to click on download and you are going to export it as an MP4. Actually, just kidding. We're going to save the video to disk. You're going to keep it as a WebM file because actually this is going to be able to be used in Flipgrid. They'll let you upload this type of file. If we wanted to download it as an MP4, this is part of the paid version of Screencastify, and we really don't need it for what we need. So that's the basics of how to use your Screencastify. One other thing that I wanted to go over is that when you click on your screencast and you click on your recording, it's going to ask you to share your desktop, and that's definitely what you want to choose. You want to choose your share your desktop option so that you can show your entire desktop as you create your screencast. And then it'll give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and once that button goes red, then you know that you are recording. And once you're done, you just click here on the bottom where it says stop sharing, which is what I'm about to do right now, and you're all set. So happy casting.